Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD in 20 Hours, Chapter 1. This video covers sections 1.15 through 1.17. Visit www.autocadin20hours for your free trial and more information. Go to your YouTube settings before you begin and make sure that you've got your quality set to an HD setting if possible. That's using this little gear button here. It may not be possible. It depends on the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit. This is where we left off last time. We're going to draw in the Firebox now. And let's begin by using the Offset button. Click on the Offset, type 8 foot, enter. Click on the lowest line and then up in the middle and then enter. And then I'm going to right click and hit the repeat offset again, or you can click on the offset button. Type 12 foot, enter. Click on the lower line again and up in the drawing again. And then I'm going to repeat the offset again and type 18, enter. There's no feet this time, it's just 18 inches. And off to the side, enter. Now a new command on the Modify toolbar. Come down and click on the Extend command and enter immediately. Then click here and here and then enter. Now let us add the front of the hearth. We're to use the Snap From command. Type or click on the line button and then on the Snap From button, and then click on this intersection and then bring your mouse to the right and hover over the midpoint icon on that line, but do not click. Type 8.5 and enter, and that will attach a line 8.5 from the original point, and come down and click on the perpendicular icon and enter. If you don't have the perpendicular icon, come down and right click on the O-Snap button and turn it on under the settings. Okay, we're going to trim some lines now. Click on the trim, enter, and let's trim out these lines to create the Firebox and enter. Select these two lines and erase. And you'll notice I'm erasing by right clicking also and selecting erase, but you can use the erase button or the delete on your keyboard. Okay, we're going to use the offset again. Type 5, enter. Enter again. Repeat the offset. 14, enter. Now we're going to create a line between those two, a diagonal line, and then we will erase these two lines. Now we're going to use a new command on the Modify toolbar. Click on the Mirror tool and read the command line. It says to select objects, so we're going to select this diagonal line, and then we're going to enter, and then it says specify first point of the mirror line, and this is the line that is between the object that we are going to mirror and its mirror image. So it'll be the line that's halfway between those two. You see, I could be anywhere where I snap that mirror line, it's going to create a mirror image on the other side of the line. But I'm going to select the midpoint of the other side of the rectangle, click on it, and look, it disappears. That'll drive you crazy if you don't know about it. But when you enter, it comes back again. And then hit the escape just to make sure you're out of that command. Okay, we're going to use the offset and type 3.5, enter. And we're going to create some more walls. These are the walls of the chimney. Enter. Trim, enter immediately, and then trim them out. And there we have our chimney and our firebox. Okay, now we're going to add some doors, and let's start here with the door up on this side. Click on the line and the snap from button, then on the corner all the way up to the upper left, click on it. Come down that same line and hover, but do not click on the icon for the intersection. And you know how to turn that on now. If it's not on, go to the OSnap settings and turn it on. And hover there, and do not click. Type 11 foot 6, enter. And that attaches a line at 11 foot 6 from the original point. Come over to the other side and snap on the perpendicular icon and enter. Now click on the offset, type 32, enter. Click on that line and down below, enter. Click on the trim, enter immediately, and trim it out and open. So there's the first one. Now we're going to create some more door openings. Click on the line and the snap from. Click on this inside line, hover over the midpoint. Type 6 foot 6, enter. And click on the perpendicular icon. Offset 36, enter. And to the other side. Trim, enter immediately. And trim it open. One more. Line, offset, inside here. Hover over the midpoint icon, if we can find it. There it is. Do not click. Type 36.5, enter. Click on the other side. Offset again. 32, enter. Here and above. Trim, enter immediately. Trim it open. Okay, enter. One more. Line, offset, snap from. Click on the inside here. Find the midpoint icon. Hover, do not click. Type 3 foot 2, enter. Click to the other side. Offset 32, enter. Click on this line down below. On the trim, enter immediately. And trim it open and enter. Now we're going to add the doors and the door swings, and in order to do that, we are going to utilize a different method for drawing lines, and this is where you type in the angle and the length of the line. So click on the line, come over here and click. And I kind of pull it out a little ways in the direction that I want to go. Now we're going to hold down the shift and hit the 2 on the keyboard, which will give you the at or around symbol. And this is how the computer knows, how the AutoCAD system knows that you're going to type in coordinates. Type in 32, hold down the shift, and hit the less than symbol, which is right above the comma, and type in 315 and enter. And there you'll have a line. Now escape. And that's how you enter in a line using coordinates. On the draw toolbar, click on the circle, click on this first point of the line, and on the other side of the door opening, click again. Then click on the trim, enter, and trim it here and here, enter. Then select this line and delete it or erase it. And there's our first door opening. And we're going to go ahead and do the rest of them now. Click over here. We're going to hit the at 32 less than 225. 225, enter. Escape. Again, the circle here, the circle here. Trim, enter right away. That didn't take. Sometimes you got to hit the trim twice because it doesn't always take. And then enter immediately. Here. And then click on this little piece and delete that. Line again, started here. At symbol 32, less than 225, enter. Escape, circle, starting point of that line, other side of the door. Escape, trim, enter. Trim it here, trim it here. Take that little piece, delete it. One more door and we're through. Or click over here. The at, this time it's 36, less than, and the angle is 135. Enter, escape, circle, click here, escape, or enter, trim, enter, here. Oh, that wasn't right. Here and here, and now because I put it in the wrong, I clicked in the wrong place, I got to take care of both these little bits. Select them and delete. And there we have our doors, and it's starting to really look like a house. That's it for this lesson. Visit us at www.autocadin20hours.com for your free trial and for more information.